What's up YouTube, this is your boy G back on another video. Today we're gonna unbox and review another wireless earbuds, another true wireless earbuds that I just bought in Lazada. It's a ZNT SoundBass Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless earbuds with touch control as well and an IPX7 waterproof rating, together with a 3000 milliampere battery case. So it's just wrapped in bubble wrap here. I bought this from Lazada for about 2,199 pesos. It's also internationally shipped. It has to be shipped from China, but it's pretty quick. I ordered it on 23rd and I received it right away about 4 days after. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now be advised that Lazada usually put up sales on this, like flash sale or discounts. I believe a couple of weeks ago it was on sale for about 1,599 or something like that. After buying it as well, after ordering it as well, the price came down to 1,999 for about a day and then went back to 2,199. So this is the box itself. Nothing fancy, but it's just a black box with a ZNT SoundBass logo on it on both sides. It's covered with this plastic film as a protective sheet. Let's go ahead and open it up with my scissors here. Alright, now that you remove the plastic covering in it, you will see it's just the black box with a lot of prints on the back. Bluetooth 5.0, ZNT SoundBass is the model name of it. So you'll see all of this specification on the back. 10 meters for the range, connection range. One thing that I noticed though is, of course, it has the 3000 milliampere battery rating, at least for the charging case. Now that's pretty huge because you can actually use that as a power bank for a phone. But this is also an IPX7 waterproof rating, binaural call, HD stereo, talk time is 3 to 4 hours, as well as the music playback, fitting, and automatic pairing. So let's go ahead and open the box. First thing that you will see when you open the box is the user manual. So it's just some pamphlet or some folds of paper showing you all kind of stuff and how-tos. It's pretty useful. Make sure to keep that up. But for the moment, let's go ahead and set it aside. Another thing that you will also notice, it has a little box that says ZNT SoundBass accessories box. Alright, so there is definitely a USB and some free tips buds included. We'll check that out in a moment, but right now you will notice that there is a USB adapter on the end of it, a USB type A. I believe this is useful when you're going to use the charging case as a power bank for your phones. So you just plug the USB type A here and just plug it onto the case itself. Because the case is so huge, 3000 milliampere, you can actually use that as a power bank. So this is just a typical USB to micro USB cable, nothing fancy. Let's go ahead and check out the star of the box here, the ZNT SoundBass wireless earbuds. Case is pretty hefty. First thing that I noticed, it's a little bit heavy comparing to the likes of the Xiaomi that I just unboxed a while ago. This is a little bit heavy. It has the glossy material for the covering. It's pretty good. It's very elegant to look. The weight is awesome. On the back, you will see all of the specification that you also see on the manual, or rather on the back of the box. But in front, it has the micro USB port for charging, as well as 4 LED lights to indicate the charging state. In front, the ZNT logo, nothing on the sides. When you open it up, you will notice that the cover of it is a translucent black material. I believe the buds itself are lighting up, like showing a breathing green or like a blue-green light. So with that translucent cover, you will see the lights from it. So that's good. But let's go ahead and check out the buds itself, the SoundBass wireless earbuds. It's very, very light. It's surprisingly light because the case is heavy. The buds itself is light, and as you can see right now, it's already lighting up. The other one's not lighting up yet. I suppose it's still turned off, but the left one is already ready to pair. It's also touch sensitive. You can do a lot of stuff with the touch sensitivity on it. I will tell you the touch controls of it, how to control music and volume, as well as review this product in a bit. It has magnets inside, so if you notice, even I shake this, the buds itself won't fall, so that's a good touch. Now I just want to show you real quick on how to pair this to your Bluetooth device. In this case, my television, because as you know, I'm using my cell phone to capture this video. So just go to the Bluetooth settings of your device, and then you're going to open the case, get the buds from it, but do nothing else. You're not gonna press or gonna do any fancy stuff. As soon as you open the case and get the device, it will pop up right away on your Bluetooth list on your device. That's pretty nice because I remember the Xiaomi, I need to do a lot of stuff here. But on this, I'm not even pressing anything on the buds itself. I just pair it on the TV and it's already paired very fast. Now I just want to give my thoughts about this product. Basically, breaking down 4 major factors before buying it. Comfort, build quality, performance and sound quality, and of course, the price. So first, comfort. The comfort of ZNT SoundBass is really good. The ergonomics is different from usual true wireless earphones and even on traditional ones. The speaker opening, I noticed itself, is a very small, and the buds along with it is not very intrusive. So you can barely feel them in your ear. Unlike on my Oki, for example, that you can really feel something penetrating your ear every time you use it. The overall body of the earpiece is also crucial for it being in place. Staying steady in your ear, not because of it penetrating your ear canal, but because of a very good design on its body shape being perfectly fit in your earlobes. It's very light too, with a good noise cancelling level, so overall the comfort is very, very good. Better than Xiaomi's for sure. For the build quality, each earpiece has this green breathing light, which is really cool. I love it. You can also turn it off if you don't fancy it. Also, it doesn't look cheap. With its glossy plastic material, yet very good design and shape, and with pretty strong magnets inside of them, as well as you can even make both earpieces stick to each other when not in use and if they're not on the case. The case itself has a solid build with a huge 3000 milliampere battery and a translucent cover. It looks very sophisticated and functional at the same time. They even ship it with an OTG type adapter that you can use in case you want to use it as a power bank for a mobile phone. And because it is a 3000 milliampere battery power bank as well, it's pretty heavy, It has a decent amount of weight that you can really feel that it is sturdy and premium. Unlike other that are just plasticky, you know that it's a cheap case. ZNT SoundBass has also a touch-sensitive surface that acts as control in your music or calls. Single tap can play or pause or call and end a call. Double tap on the left earpiece lowers the volume, while double tap on the right increases it. Triple tap launches your favorite voice assistants such as Google or Bixby, and holding the surface for about 2 seconds skips into next song if you do it on the left earpiece, and gonna skip to the previous song if you do it on the right earpiece. What's up with that, Xiaomi? Not even having this capability in your physical buttons that stabs my ear canal whenever I press them. Sound quality of ZNT SoundBass is really good. It really lives up to its name. Its bass is huge, deep, providing thumpy low ends that you can really feel, far from what that Xiaomi Airdots can do. Its mids and treble as well as vocals are really clear too, not being drowned by the bass like on my Okies. My Okies are really okay, but the bass are just really pronounced that it just drowns everything else. Soundstage is also surprisingly huge for this size, not to mention its teeny speaker opening. Its opening size is only about 70% of a usual earphone speaker opening, yet it produces huge soundstage and a very good binaural effect in your head. Listening to Bohemian Rhapsody with these earphones is a joy. Not to mention Billie Eilish Bad Guy thumping bass on your head. These earphones delivers those songs extremely well. I love that these earphones doesn't sound cheap. I've used so many earphones in my lifetime and you can really tell their price just by listening to them. But I'm pretty sure someone can never guess ZNT SoundBass price just by listening to it. Sound is clean, bass response is extremely well, very clear, and its soundstage is huge as well. I bought this product over Lazada for only 2,199 pesos, a really good price for the quality that this offers. I even think that the price of this should be higher than what it is. I will surely pay 5,000 pesos for this, no problem, for this kind of quality. I even saw on Lazada review that it really has tons of 5 stars, and I believe they share my sentiments. I've been seeing a lot of feedback there saying that the price should be higher for this because the bass and the overall sound quality performance, not to mention the touch sensitive surface, is just too much of features and benefit for a really cheap price. For a 2,000 pesos price in Lazada, this is the best budget true wireless earphones you can buy. Xiaomi Airdots may give you an affordable solutions, but not having touch controls or play skip next track previous track is just like a letdown on that product, as well as the lack of the bass. So this will give you, this ZNT SoundBass will give you a complete package in just 2,000 pesos. The Airdots, I believe nowadays is just around 1,000, but originally it's 1,500. So if you have that money, I'll probably save it, add some more and buy this one instead, because ZNT SoundBass is an absolute beast of its segment. That's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Again, click the like button if you like this video. Comment down below if you have any thoughts on the ZNT SoundBass. Have you purchased it yourself as well? Did you like the sound quality as much as I do? If not yet, and you're in looks of the true wireless earphones, go ahead and check it out in Lazada, ZNT SoundBass. It's only being sold by a single seller, the ZNT official store. So go ahead and check that out. But this is not a sponsored. I just want to mention this is not a sponsored product. I just really love the sound quality of this. And I think I'm not going to sell this like what I did on my Xiaomi one. this is the one that I'm gonna use as my daily driver now. But again, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss my videos. And see you in the next one. Peace.